yes, these are the Mary Lee fox. Don't know if I'll ever post them, do anything about them, but I should walk back here more. So pretty. Hopefully I'll have something profound by the end of this. There's like little spiders right there. That's cool. I wish the camera could actually capture them. Toad. It scared me. I walked out here to get a little video or a picture of the sunset. I think technically the sun already set, but it's still pretty. I made some pasta. This has been such a weird experience having to cook again, because like 2 years in the dorms, that really destroyed me, I think. Meal, like skills-wise, cooking skills-wise. I think this is good. I added too much crushed red pepper. I overestimated how much I could handle. Now I'm just sitting out on this porch, this lovely porch. And it's like, it got super warm out. Super nice. I need to do homework and start on projects. I realized Mary Lee is almost over, which is crazy. And I really thought there would be so much in this vlog, but it might be small. Made some eggs for breakfast. Then I'm going to meet Ben and help him move out. And then be with him for the weekend, so this is the last weekend at Mary Lee. It's like so pretty out, and I'm not honestly sad that it's the last weekend. I'm not sure I've come up with anything crazy and insightful, but I still got 3 days. Another fun little part of Mary Lee is my car's AC has mildew in it, so I'm airing it out right now. It sounds really loud, but yep, that's fun. And then later today, I got stuff to make brownies because my plants that I'm doing a presentation on is chocolate mint because there's a lot in the garden. So then I'm gonna make brownies with it, and then move out to Mary Lee. I guess I should have used like a sifter, whatever, a strainer. I should have used a strainer. Now we have this yummy paste. Greens. Is the batter good? It is minty. It's good. I feel like I've been so starved from chocolate. This is so good. Hummus.